Take a look at the following sentences. I heard his story. I heard what he said. What is the difference between those two sentences? Let's find out the answer in this video. So, stay on Know More because Know More is for you who wants to know more. I heard his story. I heard what he said. If the sentences are grammatically analyzed, then it is clear that his story is a noun phrase, and what he said is called noun phrase. What is noun clause then? In the previous video about adjective clause, it has been explained that clause is a group of words that contain subject and verb, and clause is divided into dependent and independent clause. One of the dependent clause is noun clause. But first, let's learn the definition of noun. Noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Noun acts as a subject or object in a sentence. Thus, we can conclude that noun clause is a clause that acts as a subject or an object in a sentence just like a noun phrase. The difference between noun phrase and noun clause is that noun phrase does not have a subject and a verb, while the noun clause has the subject and verb. But still, they do act as a subject and an object in a sentence. Let's see the following examples. His story was interesting. His story is a noun phrase acting as a subject in the sentence. What he said was interesting. What he said is a noun clause because it has a subject he and the verb said, and the clause acts as a subject in the sentence. I heard his story. His story is a noun phrase that acts as the object of the verb heard. I heard what he said. What he said is a noun clause acting as the object of the verb heard. I listened to his story. His story is a noun phrase acting as the object of the preposition to. I listened to what he said. What he said is the noun clause which is also the object of the preposition to. Please bear in mind that not only can a noun clause be an object of a sentence as what has just been shown, but also it can be a subject of a sentence. When we begin a sentence with a noun clause, then the noun clause acts as a subject in a sentence. The following examples show you that noun clauses act as subjects in sentences. What she said surprised me. The subject of the sentence is a noun clause starting from what to said. Then, surprised is the verb, and me acts as the object of the verb surprised. What should they do is obvious. This sentence also has a noun clause acting as the subject of the sentence. The noun clause is what should they do. The verb of the sentence is the to be is, and obvious is the complement. Now, what about this sentence? What do you think the highlighted words are? Are they also parts of noun clause? Stay on Know More to find out more things about noun clause because Know More is for you who wants to know more.